Hello and thank you for watching another Design R1 training video. In today's tutorial we're going to show you a little product we created called Company Deleter. The Company Deleter actually also deletes groups, but let me show you what it's all about. I have Act open, I'm on my company list view, and if you notice if I right click here, I cannot delete all these companies at once. I would have to go through and delete them one at a time. What a pain. So we created a little application that allows us to do the whole thing in one foul swoop. So let me close Act and run the little installer. So I have already downloaded Company Deleter. You can see I have my install file here. I'm going to go ahead and double click on it and tell Windows to run this application. And I'm going to get my installer started. So the installer here is pretty simple. I just clicked on next, and it's going to do the install for me. Go ahead and leave all the options as default. And basically what our little installer is doing here is it's detecting some Act settings and copying some files. And once it's done, go ahead and click on close. We can now open up Act. So I'm going to click on my Act icon and you will see Act launch. Now I need to register the product. This is a serialized product that we have here. Let's go ahead and plug in our serial number and click on register. We then receive a thank you message. So let's go ahead and click on close here. Okay, now that we have Act open, we're going to go ahead and accept the login screen. I'm going into the demo database. Logging in as Chris Huffman. And what you'll see here, now that I click on my company's view, I can take a look at my company list view. And if I go to my tools menu, I can now see delete all companies. And I can choose from my drop down list here that I do indeed want to delete those companies. And I'm going to say all companies. I'm going to click on delete. It's going to go through and then delete all 31 companies. So if I come back to my contact view and then back to my companies view, you will see that there are no more companies in this database. You can do the same for groups as well. Thank you very much for watching another one of our training videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're more than happy to help. Thanks.